Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to verify OnlyFans account. First, sign into your OnlyFans account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon. Look for the option labeled verification or account verification. Click on it to start the verification process. You will be asked to provide personal information to verify your identity. This may include your full name, date of birth, address, and government-issued identification. Follow the instructions to upload clear, legible photos or scans of your identification documents. Make sure the information matches the details you provided earlier. Once you have uploaded the required documents, submit your verification request. OnlyFans will review the information you provided and typically notify you of the verification status via email. Verification may take some time as OnlyFans need to review the documents submitted. Be patient and check your email regularly for updates on the status of your verification request. Once your account is verified, you will gain access to additional features and benefits, such as the ability to receive payments and withdraw earnings. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.